This is a must-have fully automatic bread panner in the baking workshop. Silicone suction cup model. With the help of food-grade silicone suction cups, the bread in the baking pan is automatically removed from the baking pan and accurately transferred to the conveyor belt line, connecting the previous and later processes to achieve continuous operation of the production line. Equipped with Siemens frequency conversion, PLC and touchscreen, it can visually set operating parameters, flexibly adjust the equipment operating speed and suction cup suction and release rhythm, and adapt to different specifications of bread and production capacity needs. Equipped with a high-pressure blower to provide stable suction, ensuring the suction cup is firmly absorbed and preventing the bread from slipping and shifting. Equipped with a high-pressure blower to provide stable suction, ensuring the suction cup is firmly absorbed and preventing the bread from slipping and shifting. One piece of equipment can replace multiple workers, greatly saving labor costs, standardizing the operating rhythm, and effectively improving the production efficiency of the entire production line. It is hygienic and compliant, simple to operate, and worry-free in operation and maintenance. If you want to upgrade your baking automation production line, this is the right product.